A rainy day and the only thing on my agenda is to get hot. So I'm gonna do a classic Mallory glam. I did this TikTok and a lot of y'all were wanting a tutorial. I already did my hair, so I'm gonna replicate the same makeup. This is tinted brow gel, brush them through. I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing about this product. I'm trying to brush them more to the side recently. It keeps me from making them a little too thick. The House Labs concealer in Fair Rosy. Always bring my concealer out here for the wing. The sponge to kind of soak up some of that product because I put a lot. My Patrick Ta palette in this cream shade. I tap this all over my lid and blend it up into my crease. I like to tap mine out and it slowly blends. Going with this shade right all in the same place. Kind of warm up the eyes and set that cream. Patrick Ta's eyeshadow have like a slight radiance to them and I love it. Black eye pencil, Give, I love it. Such a really messy wing on the lower lash line. Is this dark brown shade. I'm just gonna tap over the black, just like smudge a bit at the black and give it the smoky effect. Take a black eyeshadow and stamp against my lower lash line just to make sure that depth is still there. I don't know if it's because it's rainy outside. This is like extra therapeutic to me today. I'm so relaxed right now. That's why I'm not screaming in your face like normal. Go back in with our first shade and just kind of blend over it. Good for glitter today. It's my Urban Decay Space Cowboy. I like the extra sparkly version and it is my favorite thing on the planet, like you're kidding. Really makes your eyes look wet. Can't believe there was ever a time in my life where I didn't do a wing with every look. Makes me sick. My eyes are more on like the almond side, so a wing will forever flatter them the most. I need to try this Grande Conditioning Peptide Mascara. It looks like a bullet, which is kind of cool. Oh, she's a skinny mini. I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte because I don't know how I'm feeling about that. I like it as a second, like, separating mascara. I usually go in with a volumizing one first, so that makes sense. Lash clusters from Amazon are like my lifeline. Make the whole eye look. I always feel snatched after I put these on. Maybelline Grippy Primer is so good. Thicker serum formula, so nice and hydrating on the skin. Doing makeup with rollers in is like one of the most overstimulating things ever. Some of this Catrice like liquid glow filter, as well as their under eye brightener. This is so good. I love the shade of this. I'm gonna use a bit of my House Labs foundation. I love this foundation, but if you want it to last, you just have to set it with powder. So glowy, I feel like if you don't, like, your fingertips will wipe away the foundation. More of a dry skin girlies foundation. My sponge and pressing it into my skin, rubbing any of the extra product. So long since I used my Danessa contour. Wait, what is this? For bronzy tones to match the eye. And when you say spritz on top, I feel like this looks better when I'm actually tan. I'm not liking the shade right now. Huda Beauty Strawberry Sorbet blush. The little minis are so fucking cute. Said I was over super pink blushes. I think that feeling's coming back because I'm loving it right now. Like, literally blurs your skin. Putting out your concealer is one of the most satisfying steps. Put everyone onto this. Looks like a lot, but it really is just like an even layer. I love layering blushes. Road Piggy, I love this freaking shade. I used to be a loose powder before press. I'm so opposite. Once I started doing it this way, it gives you the most bulletproof eye. Hostess Candy, obsessed. Using the Butter Loose Powder shade for everywhere else. Or brushes your skin. Little YSL bronzer. People always get mad about this white spot in my hairline. I'm gonna have to be sad, okay? I'm not putting bronzer in my hair. This is the Kosas Bliss blush. Of these, they add like a glow without picking up on texture. Then I go in with the loose powder, really clean up and brighten everything. Blending that first shade under my lash line just evens everything out. Just like the bright white shade to kind of brighten this inner corner, make it pop. Space Cowboy glitter. I'm wearing black in the inspo, but I want to use dark brown. Kosas Allure. It's a little bit softer. It still gives you that sultry depth. This Kosas setting spray is so fucking good. Look at the before. After, everything just looks so much more melted together and skin-like. I should have done a whole full face of Kosas because that's like the only brand I'm using. One of my faves. Infinite. And I'm going to use the Wet Stick in Heat Wave. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Finishing off with one size. So ready to take these rollers out. They've been driving me insane. Kind of like twist them out. Last one. Ooh, I'm gonna spray my hair before I fluff it. She is big. I need to let her chill for a minute. This is the bad bitchification. Big blowout hair and sultry eyes are kind of like my signature. And for a reason, bitch, like, look. Too bad it's rainy outside because I should be out catching a man, but inside editing for my baddies is better anyways. Love you bitches.